Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Olivia. Hey, hello, welcome. And if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on the video. Again, if you are new here, consider subscribing because you're gonna have some fun. But anyway, today is Saturday, January 27th, and honestly, it's like this man walking by trying to figure out what I'm doing. Stop worrying about me. But it's Saturday, January 27th, and usually I'll be posting a video on Saturdays because I like to post on Saturdays, but there's no video prepared. That's why I'm making it now. Because I've not felt good all week. In another vlog, I was mentioning about like the inflammation that I had on my joints and stuff. So that kind of happened again this week, and it's kind of like going back down now. So I haven't done anything all week to film. Like every day after work, I just came home, got in my bed, ate, took a shower, all that kind of stuff, and just kind of like forgot about life. So the weather is very like cozy and rainy. Like it's a cozy Saturday. So what I did this morning, I got up, I did a load of laundry, which I just saw me do. I went to Dollar Tree. I just got like some dish detergent just to hold me over to, well, I don't know, this might be a good like brand or whatever, but just got some dish detergent, and I was looking for some laundry rocks, but I couldn't find them, so I have to get those later. But I think in this video, just gonna be like a weekend reset. Like it's a couple of things. I'm feeling pretty good. It's a couple of things I might want to do this weekend between today and tomorrow. And then, yeah, but we'll see. Like decluttering and stuff. But I don't know. It's just, it's giving go home, get in the bed, and watch movies all day. Like this is like a perfect Saturday. So I'm trying to figure out what this video is gonna be. But it's currently 1:08. I have a grocery order that's gonna be ready for pickup at 2 o'clock, so I need to find something to kill time because I don't want to go home and then have to get back out. So I need to find something to kill time. But I went, that's what I was trying to tell y'all. So I went this morning I'll be dog sitting for this lady next month, so I went this morning to meet her dogs and stuff and just kind of get like used to accustomed to them. And it was a great time, y'all. I was supposed to be at this lady's house at 10:30, which I was, but why I stayed till like 12:30? Like we done talked for 2 hours. Like we were just talking. So she's a really nice, sweet lady and everything like that. So I just need to find something to do for around 45 minutes. I wanted to get a planner and stuff. I could go to like TJ Maxx and get that in like a lunchbox. But I'm just trying to see what I want to do because I need to do something to kill time. And then after that, I'll go get my groceries and go home. We'll get something to eat and then go home. Thank you, you too. Okay, y'all, so we just pulled up to the Waffle House. I don't know if it's because of the weather, but really, no. Last night when I was up, like, cause I was up on the phone last night talking to my best friend till like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I got so hungry, and I was really finna leave the house and go to Waffle House, but you know, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. That's not really safe for a female to do. But I've been craving Waffle House, and then I went to that lady's house this morning. We talked for so long, like, y'all, I haven't eaten in almost 24 hours. So, cause I ate a really early dinner yesterday. I'm starving. I'm so ready to eat this Waffle House. Like, Waffle House be good. If you don't like Waffle House, I don't know. Especially after, like, you leaving the club or a function. Like, in college, when we used to leave parties. Babes, we was going to Waffle House. Like, every time. So, I'm finna go in here, grab my stuff. I'll show y'all what I got. After we get out this rain, once we get back home. Because I done ran all these errands. Not trying to be out in the rain, but was out in the rain anyway. So I'm finna run here and grab this real quick. And then we finna get cozy. Oh, and I went and picked up my groceries too. Dang, I gotta get all the groceries out of the car in the rain. And it ain't cold enough for them to sit in here. Okay, let me go grab my Waffle House. All right, so we're back at home now. They changed it to some warm and dry clothes. I just got my food. I'm be drinking this little Olipop to cut this TV on. Honestly, I might, let me grab my blanket. Hold on if I get comfortable. What did I do with my blanket? Oh, here you go. It's given that we might take a nap because, like I said earlier, I was on the phone with my best friend till like 4 o'clock this morning. And I had to get up at 9 to go to that lady's house. So it's currently like 2:30, so I'm just gonna chill, find a video or something to watch. And then after we do that, we're gonna get to the grocery haul and more of the reset and stuff. But I just have to just want to sit down, turn something on TV and watch that before getting into all that. Oh no, let me show you my food. Hold on. All right, so we just got our waffle right here, and I asked for some grape jelly and ketchup. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And then just all stars up mine. I don't do grits, I do hash browns, and then bacon. This is just the eggs, the bacon, the toast. Like I said, I got my Olipop. Gonna watch something on TV. I'm finna get right. Food know it be good when you don't need to be eating it, boy. So good. Back in my room. I got some packages right there, but that's birthday related stuff, and we're not even gonna open them yet because either tomorrow or Monday I'm gonna start a new vlog. It's gonna be like a birthday week in my life, so stay tuned for that. But this is the rest of the clothes that I need to do for laundry. I'm trying to show y'all, so it's not too much. I'll probably just do one more load, but in that reset vlog that I did for the new year, I did say that like every 4 weeks or once every month, I do want to because I had dusted the fan and dusted everything. So I said every 4 weeks or once a month, I'm gonna put a reminder in my calendar to go ahead and do that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, to just dust. Because honestly, if you do it once a month, it's not gonna be bad, because it was super bad when I did it for my reset video. So I'm gonna dust this stuff and clean my room in general. My room is a mess. It's just a mess. And then over there is my bookshelf. I think we're gonna go ahead and declutter that tonight and dust that off, because I didn't do that in my reset, my New Year's reset. That was just too much. I couldn't handle that. So we're probably gonna get into that and then clean my room, just dust it in. Like I said, if you do it every so often, it won't be bad and it won't build up. So that's what I'm working on this year, just trying to do something every 4 weeks or once a month, something like that. So probably gonna get into that, but I'm wide awake now, y'all. I done slept for 4 hours. I ate my Waffle House and then I was just asleep for 4 hours. So I'm kind of up. It's Saturday night. It's still raining outside, but after this, I'll probably take me a nice shower or something and just watch a movie. I'm not hungry. I might make me a protein shake. Well, I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. I'm really just thirsty. I ain't drunk enough water that I can feel I feel kind of dehydrated. So show y'all what's going on with this bookshelf. So this is a bookshelf my granddaddy made me a long time ago, but it just has some stuff on it. But honestly, this part up here, it's not even that bad. It's all this right here. So I'm gonna hook up this light so y'all can see this, because my room has terrible lighting. But yeah, so we just finna get into that. Finna turn me on a YouTube video or something to have playing in the background, and we're gonna reset this room. Everybody was saying on TikTok you look good, and I didn't think so. Yeah, so you're the sweet, also good for a little knowledge. It's called Explain. Okay, y'all, so I'm making pretty good progress, but I had to just come tell y'all about this. So basically, y'all can see, I don't know if you can tell, but under there, like, I read a lot of books. All right, so this is the book that I read. I know they wrote this probably about 10 or 12 years ago, but I don't know the exact date. But when I was younger, I read this book. Here I am thinking, I don't, it sounds bad, but I don't know. I was just thinking about that. That's when I picked up this book, because I was like, when I first heard that they had got divorced, I was just like, I still think it's a good read, but I was just laughing at that in my head. I'm like, how y'all write a book and y'all end up getting divorced? But anyway, that ain't my business. Okay, so back to cleaning. So I am finished with the bookshelf. Y'all, this was like literally something therapeutic to do, because as y'all saw, I was showing y'all, like, I had a lot of old stuff down here, but I was showing y'all that some of like my childhood memories and stuff. But like, it's an older bookshelf, so it's not gonna be like super duper clean, but yeah, it's finished and it looks a lot more organized. It was one really disgusting thing though. Like, I can't remember what shelf it was on, but I had like this old book, and y'all, it had like mold and stuff growing on it. Like, it kind of made me like very nauseous and stuff like that. That's disgusting. That's absolutely no reason for that. But anyway, I got it cleaned up. Everything's dusted. So yeah, I might save this little set for another weekend, because I am tired and I'm ready to just finish cleaning up the rest of my room, make my bed, take a nice hot shower. I had drunk this protein shake before I got started, and it kind of got my stomach feeling the type of way. But I need to throw away a lot of stuff, because while I still had this Beats box, like, I know I got this Beats like Christmas 2016, and I know y'all saw that iPhone 6S. So yeah, but this is the finished product. Hopefully I can get a good picture of this. So yeah, we're gonna just move on to cleaning my room.
So cute. I just heated up some water and just and then don't shake it, because you don't want to get really good. That was okay.
Lock in moisture now and feel it long after with CeraVe Moisturizing Cream.
That even though education and degree.
It's coming off, but like everything around me is just like, it feels like it's chips. It's not.
Nothing beats a clean room. Like, everything is clean. The only thing I gotta do now is like just make up my bed, but I vacuum, I swept. I lost my duster. Oh, there it is. I forgot I left it up there. So I might need to dust this just a little bit more. I think I set it up there because I got distracted and sidetracked. Anyway, so I'm just waiting on my sheets to finish drying. I'm gonna take me a good shower. I'm just sitting here. I'm just sitting here. I said, since I'm waiting on my sheets and stuff to dry before I take a shower, I'm just gonna go ahead and do February calendars. So I just erased everything that was on her for January, which it really wasn't that much, but a time of reflection, I really am proud of myself, because in 2024 I said I was coming for certain goals, and I feel like in the month of January, because today is currently January 27th, which is crazy, it's flew by, but I feel like in the month of January, like, I really, because this year I broke my goals down into like quarters. Yeah, quarters, like every 4 months, every 3 months. My math ain't mathing, but so in January, February, and March, I want to focus on a specific thing. April, May, June, July, August, and so on and so forth. But I really feel like I've been doing really good, even though, like, My health hasn't been the best in regards to like the inflammation on my hips and stuff, but I did go to like a holistic doctor. I didn't film it. I went this past week and she was just saying how, and I'll insert the picture if I still have it on my phone, but she was just saying a lot of times stress shows up in our body. So my body is probably reacting to stress and like swelling up and having inflammation, because y'all, this been going on since like January 2nd. So I've been like taking these little drops and just trying to improve my mood and not be like so stressed out about everything, because y'all, like when it comes about my future, about my life, I'm gonna take it every time. So I just need to start learning how to take a chill pill. But yeah, we just gonna go ahead and plan out February festivities. Your girl's birthday is on Friday, so February 1st is on a Thursday this year. So I'm just go ahead and fill this calendar in. But yeah, January's been really good. I hope y'all can hear me talking. But January's been really good, and I'm so proud of myself for pushing through. Because y'all, when this stuff happens to me, like this inflammation, like I don't be want to do nothing. Like it'd be so hard for me to get stuff done. But I done pushed through, and I'll see the fruits of that in February. So stay tuned. And I'm so excited for next week to start, well, really tomorrow or Monday, our new vlog, a birthday week in my life. Super excited for that, because I finally figured out something I wanted to do. So that's gonna be fun. I already go ahead and put down the 2nd. It's my birthday. That's the first thing I'll write. And Thursday, I have a hair appointment. But yeah, so, oh, wait, I forgot. I forgot to post one of the most important things. Okay, so yeah, February is not super busy. This Thursday, I got a hair appointment. And then I'm gonna start like a new part-time. I don't know if I told y'all about that, but I'm starting a new part-time. It's not really a part-time. It's just like an afternoon nannying job, which I did in college and high school anyway. So, you know, trying to get that money on. And then Friday is my birthday. Saturday, we're going to brunch in Atlanta, you know. And then on the, yeah, because I was telling y'all about how I was dog sitting. I went to go meet the lady and her dog today. So I'll be dog sitting from the 8th through the 13th of this month. But other than that, and then besides my YouTube schedule, I don't really have like a busy month in February. Like I know what I be needing to do like on a weekly basis and stuff like that, but I just don't have no super busy month. So that's that. And then this later today, so when we was talking, and we was talking about the dogs, but then we just started like talking about life and like we just started talking. She's a really sweet lady, so she gave me this book. It's called Boundaries, and she's like, this is the best book she'd ever read in her life. She's like, she feel like everybody needs to read this before graduating high school. So I'm gonna start this book tonight if I can't fall asleep, because I took that long nap earlier. If I can't fall asleep, I'll start that book. But if I do end up falling asleep, I'll just start tomorrow, and I'll let y'all know how I like it. Right now, I'm just gonna take a shower, a nice hot shower, drink some water because I feel like I'm super thirsty. And then we're gonna call it a night because it's almost 10 o'clock, so yeah. Okay, vlog, so it is a couple of days later. It is Monday. I didn't do anything yesterday because I just sat at my best friend's house all day. She needed help with an assignment, but after that, like, my other friends came over and we all just kind of had like girl time, watch movies, talked and stuff like that. So I didn't do nothing yesterday, and I know this video is extremely short, but when I was editing it, well, I can never say that word, editing this video, I realized I didn't close it out. So it is short, but we about to hop into another video. Literally right after I close this out, we about to hop into another video. Y'all, it's the birthday week. It's Monday, January 29th. It's the birthday week, so y'all definitely stay tuned for that video. But until that video, I will see y'all in the next video. Like I said, stay tuned. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.